You can be the one that's coming in with me, and baby, we can have some fun. Let me teach you all about the bird and the bees. Let's start with lesson 1. You get to loosen up